Hi friends, today in this video we will learn how to change the font size as well as the font style. Let us start. First, select the cell where you want to change the font style or the size. Then go to the Home tab. Under the Home tab, there is a font group. Here, by default, the font is Calibri. You can click on this drop down. A list of fonts will open. From here, we can select the desired font. Like I'm selecting Arial Black. So the font that I had selected, that is added on the text. Similarly, if you want to change the size of the text, first select the cell where the text is written. Then under the font group, go to the size option. Then click on this drop down will open, and from here you can select the desired size for your font. So the font size has been increased. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. If liked, please share with your friends, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.